Welcome back to another Destination Modified video. Working on the 350 again, this time actually installing the wide body rather than just saying we're installing it. It's like we've been doing for the last like 2 videos in this thing, I think. So we've already cut all the back hatches, which is on the other camera, so Callum will probably put this in. It's all been cut, obviously, what else you want me to say? And sealed and everything, obviously, welded up, sealed, and ready for the big boy hatches to go on. We've already put this one on, just temporary.
Are you alright?
Need subtitles. So it's obviously just screwed in, you know, self-tappers. It doesn't matter where these are because it's going to be getting actually bonded on and smoothed in. So these will come back out. But it's just ready to go, we'll bond it on, we'll let it set for 24 hours and then take the screws out and then fill it all in. And I'm going to give it a shot myself because I feel like, why not? If it goes wrong, scrap the car, you know what I mean? Nah, if it goes wrong, no, just set it in a body shop and pay double for the mock-up. But aye, so it's definitely a lot wider, you can kind of see it, obviously if you look down the old back of it, Kel. Alright, took the aerial out, obviously, because it gets in the way of this kit. This kit doesn't have the bit for the aerial. But I did muck about it for a while, spent about half an hour getting the aerial out and then realised the base just unscrews, but I didn't know that. Car mechanic.
It's been a long morning.
Yeah. So we'll put this one on, we'll do a quick video of this getting put on. It'll be in silence because there's a few swear words. Trying to get it dependent events, but I will put this on, do a quick clip on that, and then we're going to put the front one on, put it on, and then we'll mark it up and cut it, and then hopefully try and get at least one of the front ones on today, and then that'll probably be us, boys. Aye. So, finally got the kit on, as you can tell by the video. Rear's on, front's on. Fronts were obviously a lot easier than the backs. We've also test fitted the wheel, like the new wheels. I'm not going to show them just yet. Because, you know, surprise, mother. They'll be later on, they'll be like a last minute reveal, like when the car's actually all finally painted.
So what's still to be done?
Finishing touches, mate. So I need to obviously still mould it all in and then fill it all in. Next time I'm going to give it a shot myself. If it doesn't go to plan, I'll send it to the body shop. Like, might as well give it a shot. And then obviously the rest of the bits and bobs that we need to, I need to somehow try and cut these, because I'm moulding it in. I can't have it, these normally just screw into the bumper, but I'm going to have to try and cut these, mould this bit onto the bumper, mould this bit onto the wing, onto the rear arch, same on the front as well, overhangs on the front bumper. Then if I mould them in, I'll never be able to get the rear bumpers off. So I need to try and work all that out, and then I need to also order front splitters, diffusers, all that sort of stuff as well to actually add on to the kit or wing. But anyway, next one on this one will probably be blending it all in and seeing how it all comes out, giving it a shot. Might be an absolute disaster, or it might not be. Got to be in it to win it, ain't you? So we'll catch you in the next one. Really will see us make it or break it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay jolly.
Stay jolly.